I make it right. I make it all round them hoes. I make it right. I make them all round them hoes. Man, it's raining like a bitch out here, bruh. Every time a nigga in the city, you know what I'm saying? Just can't stop motherfucking raining. He ain't seen shit yet. Y'all motherfuckers probably think I'm out in this bitch driving. Bitch, I'm still at the motherfucking crib. I ain't drove off yet. I'm supposed to be meeting Skywalker at the studio and shit, nigga. I ain't even motherfucking left yet, bruh. I don't even feel like driving in this bullshit, to be honest with you. Didn't I do it, baby? Didn't I do it, baby? Y'all don't know nothing about this shit, bruh. Y'all don't know nothing about this shit. Don't fucking talk to me. You don't know nothing about this shit, bruh. You ain't busting hoes backs out to this shit, bruh. I sound like one of them old niggas, don't I? Didn't I blow your mind this time? Didn't I? Woo! I'ma blow all y'all motherfuckers' minds. Y'all better motherfucking believe it. Hey, you know how they doing them most was like,
yeah, baby, you know. Last time I got him in that pussy, you know what I'm saying? I ain't mean to bust quick, but it was just like you just kept switching that bitch to the side, and you just kept squeezing on the dick, and oh, girl, I'm in trouble if you left me out.
you see how I flipped that bitch? Fuck y'all.